Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to copy and paste keyframes in CapCut PC. We will use this video as an example. I will copy the keyframes used at the beginning of this video and add them to the end of the video. As a first step, you need to make the keyframes visible by clicking on the video in the timeline once. Each of these symbols represents a keyframe. Now, hold down the Control key and click the keyframe icon once to select the keyframes you want to copy. If the color is turquoise, then you have chosen it successfully. Next, copy the selected keyframes by pressing Ctrl and C keys. Finally, go to the time range where you want to paste the keyframes and paste them using the Ctrl and V combination. As you can see, I successfully copied the keyframes and pasted them where I wanted. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to copy and paste keyframes in CapCut PC has been helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.